Eastern Silver, Kevin. Stein du mit Rapschie. Rapschie Dämen neu de kost wieviel?
$120,000.
$120,000 for Samurai. Now the reason it costs so much is about
It's handmade. It's an Italian, most expensive piece. Look each piece, everything. It's castings and handmade over. It's very heavy.
Wow, Kevin. Keep it 100. Oh wow. Solid. I don't want to drop it. So Rapschie, we stein du by Eastern from Williamsburg.
Yes.
The Alta famous silver store. You guys are around from the first.
Yeah, more than 70 years.
70 years.
Yep.
You're going with a factory. You manufacture your own silver.
Manufacturing, we got the street store, alles.
Wow. Unbelievable. Laat me zien de tisch doen. De tisch was a full met silver. Custom Italian silver.
They're Italian, the most high-end things in Italy.
Get back kick of the tisch doen. Wow. Beautiful stuff. So, am eine will...
Dit is als Amin zegt, dit is de arbeid van hem, dus het komt dat zo uit. Handmade, ik heb het uitgecheckt. Dit is
Wow. The handmade stuff that Sachen was liegen do is the next level. Ich meine, echte hand China, not the new style or whatever.
No, something different.
Something unique.
Up to date, unique.
Up to date, beautiful. So this is the store, yes. So nog een zaak was, ik hear as you're very busy with. You're busy with gifting, yeah?
Gifting, yeah.
En zijn zijde the gifting, the way you wrap it.
Yeah,
maar toen, kijk of our gift over here. Alachaim glazelig. Hij maakt alachaim. Wow.
So many gifts come alle mine set up, delivered. Let's say they overgepikt. Signs over WhatsApp. And then can same day delivery.
Same day delivery. Eine will a gift, he sends you a WhatsApp and he has delivered the same day. Wrapped and gifted.
Corporate accounts, oh my god, yes. Many corporate accounts.
Corporate account, einer will geben von seinen Arbeitgeber, das erscheint ein Silver Platter.
Ja.
Such mal welche Company, ich will arbeiten von sei.
This is confidential.
Confidential, okay, but beautiful stuff over here. So du suchst auf WhatsApp, how does the WhatsApp work?
We sign sich over the WhatsApp. And check my those statuses, pictures, other groups.
So somebody sends you a WhatsApp and says, ich will a flash.
So we right away we send them back pictures, yeah, many
styles. He chooses his one, you wrap up,
he send it to him. You choose this he wants.
Schau so gut, kann ich zum deliver zu dich in Stieb. Na gibt's die Post musst du mit Status auch mit shine items die hast
verkauft. So, die beide.
Wow.
Ja, einfach wir tun gaim. Jetzt wissen sein sich Hand auf WhatsApp, Hand in morgen. Gaat er aan een goeie en samen doen shot cups, likt de roos doen gaat daar.
Laat me zien wat dit is. Laat me zien.
Hoe likt this? Deze do. A beautiful set.
Get back the shot cups do.
Glass and silver.
The hebben shot cups. So whoever signs up on WhatsApp.
Today, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Nacht mir jetzt Donnerstag Nacht das an the goeie of them.
Donnerstag Nacht is aan the goeie of them
hebben. Opportunity days.
So ga er flang the number to from the WhatsApp on the screen. Dan ga lang de link nog dem.
Ja.
Geven de sign up the WhatsApp status. En ga er naar goeie. Wat de flash do. Invite me to the host while I go.
Let's go in.
What's the location in Williamsburg?
67 Lee Avenue.
67 Lee Avenue.
And the number from the WhatsApp is 718-387-0445.
Wow,
Sign up and gewinnt.
And I recommend Heather to go down to the location itself. Push uns tap an zusammen Leute. $120,000 Leute. Handarbeit. Rapschie. Hast du was zu beweisen, du?
Wurde geschehen.
Asar from Eastern Silver, Heather hat's mal Elektrik getrunken. Sign up and gewinnt.